Greetings, everyone. You found your way to a very special episode of The Diggin' Dave. I'm Dave, and today we are on the trail of a true ghost. From the late 1800s, the 1872 Indian head penny. If you were to dig through a bucket of old wheat cents, you might think they all look the same, but the 1872 is a massive hidden date that most people miss entirely because they don't know what to look for. Like common years were produced by the tens of millions, the 1872 was struck in surprisingly low numbers during a time of intense economic struggle in America. As we look at the 2026 market, this specific penny has become one of the most profitable targets for investors who want big financial returns from small copper coins. Today, I'm showing you exactly why the 1872 Indian head penny is worth a literal fortune, how to verify yours is 100% real, and the secret places you might still find one today. To understand why the 1872 Indian head penny is so incredibly rare, we have to look back at the Philadelphia Mint during a very difficult time in U.S. history. In the early 1870s, the country was sliding into a deep economic slowdown, which meant the demand for new pennies for daily trade dropped off a cliff. Because of this, the mint only struck about 4 million of these coins. That might sound like a large number, but in the world of coins, it is a tiny amount compared to almost any other date in the series. Unlike the thick white cents from the Civil War, the 1872 Indian head penny was made of a much thinner mix of 95% copper combined with tin and zinc. Because these were used heavily for decades in every grocery store and post office, most were worn down until the date was completely erased. Finding one today with a clear, readable date is a massive victory for any hunter. Let's talk about how to identify a high-value 1872 Indian head penny for your private collection. The design features a beautiful image of Lady Liberty in a feather headdress, but the real profit is found in the tiny details of her headband. On The Diggin' Dave, we live and die by the Liberty test. Take a magnifying glass and look at the headband across her forehead. If you can clearly see all 7 letters of the word Liberty, you are holding a coin worth hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. For the 1872 Indian head penny, the strike from the mint was often a little bit weak right in the center. This means that finding a specimen where the diamond patterns on the ribbon and the tips of the feathers are sharp is like finding a needle in a haystack. If those feathers are crisp and deep, your 1872 is a world-class treasure. Here's a pro tip for everyone currently searching through old family collections or estate sales. The 1872 is known as a key date, meaning it's one of the hardest gaps to fill in a penny album. Because it is so valuable, many dishonest people in the past tried to change the dates on common pennies to make them look like a real 1872. When you examine a genuine 1872 Indian head penny, the numbers in the date should look bold, thick, and perfectly spaced from the bust. On the back, you'll find the classic oak wreath and the small shield sitting at the top. Collectors in 2026 are specifically hunting for coins that have a smooth chocolate brown color or even a hint of that original mint red. If a coin looks too shiny or has been scrubbed with a cloth, stay away because cleaning a rare penny like this will destroy almost all of its market value. Now, let's get into the 2026 market value for the 1872 Indian head penny. This coin is a total powerhouse for financial growth and long-term security. Even a heavily worn version where you can just barely read the year will easily sell for $80 to $150. If you have a fine condition coin where the word Liberty is starting to become visible, the price jumps quickly to $300 or $500. For those of you lucky enough to own an uncirculated 1872 Indian head penny that still has its original red copper glow, the prices are truly exploding. We're seeing these sell for $3,000 to $7,000 on a regular basis now. In the absolute highest grades, like an MS66 red, this penny has sold for more than $30,000. It is honestly one of the safest bets for coin investing in today's world. 4. You go out and spend your hard-earned cash. You must perform a weight check. A genuine 1872 Indian head penny has to weigh exactly 3.11 grams. If it's significantly off, you're likely looking at a counterfeit. This specific year is a true American gem that can turn a dusty old jar into a life-changing payday. I really hope this guide helps you secure a winner during your next search. If you enjoyed this breakdown, please click that subscribe button and join our community of hunters. Do you think you have an 1872 tucked away in an old album? I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. I'm Dave, and I'll catch you on the next hunt. Keep your eyes sharp and your shovels ready.